Hello everybody. Today I have a quick video for you that should help you get started with the arrow drawing if you're having a bit of difficulty with the lesson that I had begun yesterday. So when you get started, and just to recap on this, you go up and get your line command and you're to find the center midpoint of this border. But what if you flash your cursor up here and it doesn't pick it up? All it wants to do is pick up the endpoints. So there's a simple solution for this, and you can bring your mouse down to the bottom status bar here where you normally find your ortho mode and your polar mode, and if you slide your cursor to here where it says Object Snap OSNAP F3, you can right click this. Now don't left click it, because if you left click it you're going to turn your object snaps off, and you want those on all the time. So you're going to right click and then come up and left click Object Snap Settings. At this point we can get a list and look at the snaps that are running which are currently checked on. So it's very important that we check on the midpoint snap, so you can left click that. Also check on perpendicular if it isn't checked on, and also make sure intersection is checked on if that one isn't checking on. I'm going to do that as well. So these are pretty much all the snaps that you need running to be able to accurately complete a drawing. So we have endpoint, midpoint, center, quadrant, intersection, and perpendicular. These are the most important ones that you're going to need. So once you've checked this, no pun intended, left click OK, and now I should be able to come up, find the midpoint, and draw a line from top to bottom. And I'm going to do this again, midpoint to midpoint. And this is going to allow me to find my 4 quadrants, to begin offsetting these lines, to be able to find the extents or limits of the arrow centered within the border. So I hope that video helps you if you're having difficulty. And if you're still having difficulty, let me know and I will give you a hand. Take care for now.